I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini with voice. First, open the Gemini app on your phone or tablet. Make sure your device's microphone permissions are granted for the app. You'll see a small microphone icon, usually near the text input area. Tap this icon to activate voice input. This prepares Gemini to listen for your commands and questions, making interaction seamless and hands-free. Once the microphone is active, speak clearly and naturally as if you're talking to a person. You can ask questions, give instructions, or even have a conversation. For example, try "What's the weather like?" or "Tell me a fun fact." Gemini will process your speech and provide a response, often verbally. Remember to pause briefly after speaking to allow Gemini to understand your input fully. To get the best results, try using specific keywords in your prompts. If Gemini misunderstands, simply rephrase your question or command. You can also experiment with various voice commands for different tasks, like setting reminders or drafting emails. For instance, say, "Set a timer for 10 minutes" or "Draft an email to John about the meeting." Practice makes perfect for smooth voice interactions. If you encounter issues, first check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Gemini's performance. Also, ensure your device's volume is set appropriately so you can clearly hear Gemini's responses. Sometimes, a quick app restart can resolve minor glitches. And hey, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy using Gemini with your voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.